Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got something from Japan. This is an Umai Crate subscription box. You can go over to japancrate.com and use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. Yeah, they've got all sorts of interesting Japanese things in this box centering around ramen. So let's crack it open and see what's inside. Alright, so when you crack open one of these boxes, the first thing you're going to see is this informative pamphlet. Inside it's got information about everything in the box and a recipe card. So this has info on how to cook, prepare, what everything's called, what's in it. If you lose this and you can't read Japanese or translate Japanese ramen iconography, you're going to be in trouble, so don't lose it. Alright, let's check out everything that's inside. First off, we've got this Kumamoto Tankatsu from Mitsuki. This is a really, really good one. I'm always pleased when this one shows up. This one's animal-free, so it's vegetarian-friendly. And yeah, this one is ultra good. You'll notice that it does have animal products shown on the packaging when you garnish it, but it doesn't come with any, so yeah. And here's another one from Mitsuki. This one's simply called Soup Udon, so it has udon and a broth, and it also has Kumamoto on the packaging. Next up, from Yamamoto Flour Milling, we have a Tanuki's Father Spicy Tonkatsu. These are generally really quite good. They rely on these products quite a bit in these boxes, and yeah, whenever I see this one, I'm like, cool. And here's one from Sakurai Foods of Japan. This is their vegetarian miso ramen. This range is really quite good. Very, very nice noodle and really great seasonings make it taste really good. Excellent broth. Yeah, I've tried all of the versions of these and they're quite good. And then from Kenko Foods, we have their sauce yakisoba. Basically, that just means it's going to taste like yakisoba and it has sauce. And these are quite good. So yeah, if you like yakisoba, this is a winner. And here's one from Itomin I don't think I've seen before. This is a vegetable seafood dashi shio, I think is what's going on here. And these are generally quite good. The vegetable flavor in these are top-notch. And yeah, so I'll give this one a try soon. And here's another Yamamoto variety. This is their deep-fried tofu udon, and I don't believe I've tried this one either, so cool. Then we've got a package of Miso Soup mix. I believe this obviously doesn't have noodles with it, and I think it's a couple servings of miso soup. Let me see here. It looks like there are 4 servings of it, so yeah, maybe give this a try. And finally, from Itomin, we have some wild vegetable soba. It kind of looks more like wakame. I don't know, but worth a try. Their stuff usually is top-notch. Alright, so in this, the March 2022 Umai Crate, you get miso, udon, tonkatsu, shio, yakisoba, miso, udon, tonkatsu, wild vegetables, a recipe card, and your informational pamphlet. Well, cool. Thank you very much to the folks over at Japan Crate for shooting this over. If you want to get one of these, head on over to japancrate.com and use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount on one of these Umai Crates. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.